There are a few important benefits for low-code, and there are primarily four. The first one is development speed and time to market. So the development speed from a technical perspective, it's a lot faster than manual programming, for instance, or implementing a very complex commercial off-the-shelf system. And as a benefit to the organization, it reduces your time to market significantly. So basically the speed in which you can push changes to the market or push changes in your IT system to support your business. The second benefit of low-code is that it boosts productivity for your business and IT teams. It takes away a lot of the cumbersome work, it streamlines collaboration between business and IT teams, and therefore you overall get much more result out of the same people that you have. The third benefit of low-code is that the adaptability and the ease of maintenance is a lot easier and faster. And this helps you to streamline future developments and simplify maintenance processes. And finally, the total cost of ownership of low-code is a very strong benefit. So the overall process of developing and maintaining software, due to this speeding up the time to market, the productivity, makes these type of solutions a lot more cost effective compared to other type of solutions for organizations.